But you say in Namaz, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, more than 200 times. Now Allahu Akbar means God is great. But God is great means that I am not great. When you say that God is great, you are also saying that I am not great. If your thinking is that I am also great, then you are telling a lie when you say Allahu Akbar. So it means that Allahu Akbar is a lesson of modesty. Modesty. So Salat or Namaz teaches you modesty. And modesty is the crux of the Iman. Modesty is the crux of Islam. When you discover God, you discover also that I am very, very helpless. Sense of helplessness is the source of modesty.